Hi, my name is Javon Moses, founder, owner of JC Moses Management, and today we're going to go over what is wholesaling and wholesaling itself. Uh, Wholesaling is simply getting a contract with the homeowner for 50,000, and you're selling it to a investor, buyer, homeowner, purchaser for 60,000. The difference in between the 50 and 60,000 is what you call an assignment fee. That is what a wholesaler makes when they get a property under contract, they find an end buyer, and they take it to the title company and they get an assignment fee of 10,000. Wholesaling is something now, it's a low cost of entry level. It is great to do if you want to get in real estate, but haven't been able to use either you can't get a hard money loan approval, you can't get the FHA 203K loan approval, you can't get investors to pull in and bring you capital so that way you can purchase and flip a property. This is a good way to do it. Wholesaling is taught by many, and I would recommend we do have a course here at JC Moses Management that teaches you wholesaling. Wholesaling is something that goes into many depths because you have to start by finding sellers. Finding sellers can be hard. You have so many things you have to do to find these sellers. Once you find these sellers and talk to them, you have to market the deal. Marketing the deal means putting it out there, emailing it, getting a formal template so that way you can show other investors that might be interested in the deal and people who might look into investing into that area. Once you market your deal and you have a buyer, you have to get the contracts done. You have to use a purchase and sales agreement. You have to use an assignment contract. All have to be filled out and up to date with code with the state that you're in. And so that is important because you cannot have a deal go through because you is not having the right paperwork. Once you have the paperwork done, next you must choose a good title company. A title company is where you bring your contracts. That is where you get the transaction closed because they pull the title. They make sure there are no liens on the property. They make sure there's nothing that will come up that is a transparent, clean deed. And so that's what you want when you're dealing with a property that you're looking to wholesale. You want to make sure there's clear title so that your buyer can smoothly buy it and you don't have to wait 3 months to get paid. Once you've done that, you've completed your first deal. Wholesaling is now one of the biggest things in real estate in the market today. And this is something, if you're interested in looking into, you can reach out to me. You can go to the website and we can definitely get you on a team.